Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. A little recap of our Monday learning. So first of all, a big thank you for those of you who are coming on Monday mornings to our Teams meetings and taking the opportunity to touch base with me at that time and ask questions and maybe even, learn a little math along the way. Yeah. So a couple of quick facts that we addressed this morning, just for those of you who were not able to attend for whatever reason. Maybe you already know this. Maybe it's going to be some new information. Maybe it's just going to be just a quick hitter. So we talked about on Monday angles in a triangle adding up to 180 degrees. So this fact is a fact that you probably already have in your math background. So the only layer we're adding to it that makes it a little bit trickier is this notion of solving for x. So what you can see here is that we basically added together each of the angles in the triangle, set it up, and it was equal to 180 degrees. Same thing over here for 90, and then of course you would continue to combine like terms and solve for x, right? So that would be how you would proceed, all right? Then we got to problems like number 19 and number 20, where you're actually puzzling out a little bit of additional information. You can kind of see what I wrote here for our Monday group. Right along this line, you have two angles coming together, and one was given as 67 degrees, and then the other one was not known. So you guys need to remember that you can use information about linear pairs, and you can use information about vertical angles, okay, to help you to solve other problems, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 67 from 180, because this is a linear pair, and get 113. And then we're going to look across our crisscrossing x right there for our vertical angle of 37. And that's why for this triangle, we're adding together x plus 41 plus 113 plus 37 and setting it equal to 180. Okay? In this particular triangle, that's how it looked originally. So we just grab this 22 and put it on the inside of our triangle. Grab this 123, pardon me, and put it on the inside of the triangle. And now, of course, you would add everything up. So x plus 45 plus 22 plus 123 is equal to 180. You'd continue by adding all of your like terms together and then subtracting to solve for x. All right, it's going to be a quick video for this little chunk today. As I told the people on Monday morning meeting, this information on ordering the sides of a triangle based on the angle and based on the side length is going to be on your exam, okay? So one of the things that's really the most important idea that I can share with you is that small angles are across from smallest sides, largest angles are across from largest sides, and vice versa. So when I want to do shortest to longest, I find the smallest angle and I shoot across to see what side is across from it. So smallest side is CD. Then I find my medium. Here's 50 degrees. It's the next biggest. Okay, so that's going to be CE. And then, last but not least, the very, very, very biggest angle is 100 degrees. It's going to be across from your side DE, and that's the biggest side, okay? So that is how you can order your angles and your sides from smallest to biggest. So if you want to pause the video and kind of look at this question and look at this question, you're welcome to do that. Let's do the last one together very quickly. Okay, so as I told my group on Monday, who was my morning meeting people, if it says triangle STU and it gives you some information, go ahead and draw that triangle. Here we go. We're going to draw a triangle. We're going to label it STU. And then I'm just going to label the side lengths that are given. So from T to U is 16. S to U is 12. And S to T is 21. Perfect. 3 completely different side lengths. So I go to my smallest, here it is, SU, and I shoot across. So that means angle T is the smallest. Then I find the next biggest side, which is this one, 16, and I shoot across, and there it is. Angle S is going to be the medium angle. And last but not least, angle U is across from the biggest side. So angle U must be the biggest angle. All right, guys, I hope that this was an awesome video for you guys to start off the week with. Take care.